Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're putting up 2 pork tenderloins, and I thought I'd bring y'all along and show you how we cut them up, run them through the tenderizer, how we cook them, and how we store them in the freezer. This is a good way to save money and make your money go further and be frugal and fill your freezer at the same time. So come on and let's get started. Okay, y'all, Travis got these loins yesterday, and he got them for $1.98 a pound, and that's a cheaper way to have tenderloins or fry them as a pork chop for supper. He cuts them up the thickness that he wants them, and then he's going to run them through a tenderizer. How thick would that be considered, do you think?
Half an inch.
A half an inch? And that one loin is making all that. All right, right here's this cuber that we got him one year for Father's Day. And he still uses it. You put your tenderloin in there, just turn this handle on the side and run the pork chop through there. Run it through how many times? All right, he's going to run it through 2 times. Turns it one way and then turns it back the other way. And that's one loin right there. So we've got, I don't know how many we'll get out of it, but when you buy your whole loins like that, that's a good way to save money when you're trying to save money on a budget for your groceries. Instead of buying them in single packs like you do, buying one big one makes a lot more. And one of these was $14.87 and the other one was $15 something.
And if you got false teeth, it's a lot easier to chew.
Tenderizing it makes it a lot easier to eat, he said. Now he's packing his meat up. These little bags right here work real good because you tie a knot in the end of them. And it's not like a freezer bag. Once they freeze, these don't come open like a Ziploc bag will come open. This is how he's going to tie a knot in it. And then that way they don't come open when they start freezing. And he also cuts the end off of them. Just like that. Out of 2 tenderloins that he bought, cut them up himself and cubed them, we winded up with 11 bags now for the freezer. Here's 3 set over here for me to cook for our breakfast this morning.